Now let us discuss about the other types of paints also. Like we are able to get solid finish and metallic finish. So for metallic paints, after all, they are all based on aluminum particles. So you could have seen the aluminum paint painted on the bridges and in the transmission parts and also in metallic cars. So these are all called metallic paints and they are based on aluminum paste. There are two types of aluminum paste. One is called leafing aluminum, another is non-leafing aluminum. I'll get into the detail later about these leafing and non-leafing, but try to understand that this aluminum leafing paint is giving very shiny aluminum like or silvery finish, whereas metallic or dot like finish is obtained by using non-leafing aluminum paste. In fact, this is applied or this is dispersed with a varnish and applied as aluminum paint. So you have to take the considerable amount of binder, that is a resin or varnish, then mix this aluminum paste and thoroughly, then it is made as aluminum paint. So there is no grinding part involved here. Simply by mixing you can get this wonderful finish. And we have got different metallic finishes also, and we have got variety of colors, and using tinters we are able to get different types of finish also. And this is also used as a base coat, that is aluminum base coat, over which flamboyant shades, that is organic dye based paint clears are applied so that you are able to get a candy finish, that is something like a candy tone finish is obtained by using aluminum base coat followed by the colored top coat. And so this is probably, that is as I already suggested, this leafing aluminum paste is used in transmission parts, and a non-leafing that gives aluminum, that type of aluminum paste gives very good shining metallic finishes also. And so here you would have seen in transformer they have applied the aluminum paint, that is they are using this leafing aluminum, and especially heat is transmitted in this kind of aluminum paint, and it can withstand the heat. So metallic paint standard, these are all called aluminum paint standard with the leafing aluminum paste. This should be mixed only at the time of application. So this is delivered or supplied and delivered as a 2-pack system only. And it's a simple job, and you will be given a definite ratio, that is a paste is to binder, and accordingly you have to mix it properly before applying the paint. Now you can simply, that is a buy varnish and a leafing aluminum paste and repack it. So this is in fact this is a hot cake. I would suggest to start with. You can make use of this kind of paints, aluminum metallic paints and non-leafing aluminum paints also. Then, and here that is as I already suggested, you could have seen such kind of candy finishes in bikes, bullets, etc. Okay, so these are all called candy tone red. On petrol tank you would have seen, and even on electric rice cooker you are able to see such type of candy colors. So we have got different very lustrous wonderful colors. Okay, then, and even in heaters, water heaters, and nowadays that is even beautiful cars are finished with such type of flamboyant shades, and cookers, pans. So, and they used to give a pearlescent finish also. So these are all called the pearlescent effect. Okay, so this is a wonderful finish. And pearl coat is also a type of special pigment, and where by mixing suitably over selected color like black, you are able to get different colors. So these are all called pearl finishes. Okay, so as I already recommended, here no grinding is required. Only thing is you have to mix it with the mixing rod and metallic finishes are supplied as such by mixing, but aluminum paint standard, that is with an aluminum, that is a leafing type, it should be mixed only at the customer or consumer end, okay, or client end.